day we're going up Mount Faber, or I guess in Seoul, South Korea, we have Namsan, which we go up quite often. In Singapore, I guess we have Mount Faber. Singapore itself is a pretty flat island, so let's see how this Mount Faber is like. Let's go.
Gotta go harder. Oh, you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be.
So the Mount Faber climb is actually pretty short. The first few, I think the first 100-200 meters is about 7 degrees. And then for the half, or for the most part of it, is around 9 to 11 degrees in terms of ascent. Yeah, this is the downhill stretch. It is also where you can come up from. So where I came up from just now was at the Kampong Bahru entrance. But you could also take this stretch up. As compared with the Namsan in Seoul, this is a lot shorter, but has a steeper climb for about half the route.
I know the story.